Want to know how to decrease your volume of your audio in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do so. So let's get started. So first up, open up your Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now double click on it to select the entire part of the audio. Now go to Effects and then navigate towards Volume and Compression and select Amplify. Now slide your slider to the left side to decrease your volume. Make sure allow clipping is unchecked so that your audio becomes less distorted. Once you're done with it, click apply. Here you can already see in the waveform that your volume has been decreased, and now we need to normalize the audio. Now for that, go to Effects and then go to Volume and Compressor again and then click on Normalize. Make sure your decibels is -6 or lower. Once you're done with it, click apply. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.